How to fix the connection to the site is not secure on your Google Chrome. So if you have been facing such error on your Google Chrome when you're trying to access some not secure websites, so what you need to do is simply click on this three dot icon over at the top, and once you're inside here, simply scroll down until you see the settings option over here, and simply head over to privacy and security, and from over here click on security option over here and scroll down, and just make sure if you have this option enabled, just make sure you disable this. So what it basically does is it lets you open the site that is not secure. So if it's still not letting you open it, so what you need to basically do is, if your website contains https, simply remove the s from the website and simply proceed with it. So what it basically does is it still lets you sign in or lets you access to the website which is not secure. So hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.